Do I need to use a property manager to manage my investment property? It's a great question, and today we're going to dive a little bit deeper into it. Managing an investment property, especially as an investor that doesn't live in the area, can be pretty stressful. You've got responsibilities from finding and screening tenants, handling leases, taking care of maintenance, dealing with legal issues, and even the eviction process if necessary. Now, if you have the time, the skill, and the inclination to handle these tasks, you could consider managing a property on your own. However, there's many benefits to hiring a professional property manager. For one, it saves a significant amount of time and energy. They handle the day-to-day tasks of property management, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life or your businesses. Furthermore, property managers bring professional experience to the table. They're adept to tenant screening, they ensure reliable tenants, they know the local real estate laws, and help you avoid potential legal problems down in the future. If any issues with the property arise, they've got a network of tradespeople and contractors to resolve the issues quickly. Lastly, and very importantly, a good property manager can help maximise your investment returns. They've got an understanding of the market and can set competitive rental rates. They also ensure that vacancies are filled quickly and that tenants are satisfied, reducing tenant turnover. So in essence, while you can manage an investment property yourself, hiring a property manager might just save you time and hassle and provide a professional and better financial outcome for you. Now, every situation is unique, so consider what suits your needs and what resources you have available. Thank you for watching. If you've got any other questions, just pop them below in the comments. I'd love to answer them for you.